Hello everyone, I am Rupa Mulli. In my previous video, I have explained the details of LED lights. You can find the link in description. Nowadays, these lights are very popular in use, not only for their durability or least power consumption, but also of their dazzling color effects. So in this video, I am going to explain step by step how to design your own LED display through a simple formula. The requirements of a lighting application of LED. First we have to choose what type of circuit should we use. While connecting LED in circuit, the given supply voltage to an LED would be mostly higher than its forward voltage value. So it is very important to connect a resistor in series with the LED, otherwise it will burn out almost instantly. Therefore, let's learn how to calculate the value of current limiter resistor and its wattage value for a simple LED circuit, a series connection of multiple LEDs, a parallel connection of multiple LEDs using separate resistor and using common resistor. Then a series parallel combination of multiple LEDs using common resistor. And finally, we will see few points to remember to build the LED circuit. Now let's assume in the given circuit, if the supply input voltage is 6 volt DC, LED forward voltage is 2 volt, forward current is 20 milliampere or 0.02 ampere. So the voltage drop across resistor VR equals to Vs minus Vf, which is 4 volt. Now the value of resistor using Ohm's law, R equals to VR by IF, that is 200 ohm. So this is the minimum required resistor value of this circuit. To ensure that this resistor will not overheat, it is required to find the power rating of the resistor. To find the wattage of R, we use this formula W equals to VR IF or IF square R. Here voltage across resistor is 4 volt and forward current is 0.02 ampere, so we get 0.08 watt. It is too difficult to find the exact calculated value, so we select 1/4 watt or 0.25 watt resistor. Now let's determine the value of resistor and its wattage when 3 LEDs are connected in series. Since this circuit is connected in series, same current flow through each component and total voltage of all LEDs is the sum of the forward voltage of each LED. Remember that the combined voltage must be always smaller than the supply voltage. In this circuit, supply voltage is 12 volt. Forward voltage and forward current of each LED is 2 volt and 20 milliampere respectively. So total forward voltage of 3 LEDs are 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6 volt, and forward current is same, that is 0.02 ampere. Therefore, voltage drop across resistor VR equals to Vs minus total voltage drop across 3 LEDs, which is 6 volt. Now the value of resistor would be R equals to VR divided by IF, that is 300 ohm. The total current draw is 0.02 ampere. So power rating of resistor is W equals to VR into IF or IF square R, that we get 0.12 watt. So we select 1/4 watt or 0.25 watt resistor for this circuit. Let's assume in this given circuit 3 LEDs are connected in parallel with a common resistor R. Here the supply voltage is 12 volt DC. Forward voltage and forward current of each LED is 2 volt and 20 milliampere respectively. There is a parallel circuit. So voltage drop across each LED is same, that is 2 volt. And total current is the sum of the currents through each LED. So total output current is shared through each parallel strings. Therefore, total forward current of 3 LEDs are 0.06 ampere. Voltage across common resistor R VR is 12 minus 2, that is 10 volt. Now the value of common resistor for this parallel circuit would be R equals to VR divided by total forward current of 3 LEDs. That's we get 166.67 ohm. Total current draw in this circuit is 0.06 ampere. So power rating of resistor would be W equals to VRIF or IF square R. That's we get 0.60 watt. Therefore, we can select 1 watt resistor for this parallel circuit with common resistor. There is another way to connect 3 LEDs in parallel with separate resistor. Here every circuit parameters are same as previous circuit. Only difference in this parallel circuit is we are finding the value of resistor for each parallel path, not for whole circuit. So in each path the current become in series. Therefore voltage across resistor VR equals to 12 minus 2 equals to 10 volt, and forward current of each section is 0.02 ampere. Now the value of each resistor would be R equals to VR divided by IF. So we get 500 ohm. Total current draw in this circuit is 0.06 ampere. Therefore, power rating of resistor in each path is W equals to VRIF or IF square R. So we get 0.20 watt. Then we choose 1/4 watt or 0.25 watt resistor for each parallel path. Now let us find the value of resistor and its wattage of series parallel combination circuit with multiple LEDs. Here in this circuit 9 LEDs are connected in series parallel combination with a common resistor R. There are total 3 parallel strings and each string contains 3 LEDs in series. If supply input voltage is 12 volt DC, the forward voltage and forward current of each LED is 2 volt and 0.02 ampere respectively. So total voltage drop across the string is 6 volt. As there are total 3 parallel strings, each string gets 0.02 ampere current. So total current in the circuit, we have to multiply 0.02 multiplied by 3, therefore 0.06 ampere. Now voltage drop across the resistor is 12 minus 6 equals to 6 volt. Now to calculate the value of common resistor for this series parallel combination circuit, we use this formula R equals to VR divided by I. So we get 100 ohm. Now power rating of this resistor would be W equals to VRI or I square R. So we get 0.36 watt. Then we can select half watt resistor for this combination circuit. There is another way to connect separate resistor with each parallel string of this series parallel combination array. Until now, we have learned how to design a LED circuit of different combinations. To make this circuit, we have to remember few important points. Generally, resistors come in standard values, so it is too difficult to find the exact calculated value of resistors. Thus, select the closest standard value. If it is not close enough, then connect resistors in series parallel configuration. Generally, wattage of resistors come in standard values like 1/4 watt, half watt, 1 watt, 2 watt, 5 watt and so on. It is too difficult to find the exact calculated value. Therefore, select the next higher value of power rating resistors. Also, it is recommended that to use the double value of calculated power rating of resistors. Forward current of LED is the amount of maximum current that can accept continuously. It is recommended that provide 80% of LED forward current rating for long life and stability. Forward voltage of LED is the voltage drop when supply the rated forward current. From the datasheet, we can find the forward voltage and forward current of LEDs depending on types, colors and brightness. Typically, LED runs on 20 mA. I hope you have understood how to calculate the value of resistor and this voltage to design any circuit using multiple LEDs. Thank you for watching this video.